Look at the ocean. It covers more than 70% of our planet. It shapes our climate, feeds billions of people, carries ships across continents, and hides a world that almost no human has ever seen. But so what if tomorrow morning, when every ocean on Earth simply vanished? No explosion, no warning. You wake up, walk to the beach, and the sea is gone. Only an endless landscape stretching to the horizon. The world would panic. Thousands of ships would suddenly be stranded. Entire ports would become useless overnight. Millions of marine animals would be trapped on the exposed seabed. But something even more incredible would happen. For the first time in human history, we would finally see the largest unexplored world on Earth. Most people imagine the bottom of the ocean as a flat surface. It isn't. Hidden beneath the water is another planet. A world filled with gigantic mountains, massive volcanoes, endless valleys, and canyons deeper than anything on land. One of those places is the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers deep. If Mount Everest were placed inside it, its summit would still remain underwater. Now imagine standing at its edge, looking down into a hole so deep that sunlight has never reached the bottom. The deeper we explore, the stranger our planet becomes. Entire mountain ranges rise from the ocean floor. Some are taller than Everest when measured from their true base. Volcanoes larger than anything most people have ever heard of. An endless landscape that has remained hidden beneath the waves for millions of years. And then, there are the cables. Most people believe the internet travels through satellites, but almost all international internet traffic actually travels through thousands of kilometers of submarine fiber optic cables. Without the oceans, those cables would suddenly lie exposed across the planet, connecting continents, like giant veins beneath Earth's surface. Far below where sunlight can reach, another surprise waits. Hydrothermal vents, cracks in Earth's crust where superheated water erupts from the planet itself. Temperatures here can exceed 400 degrees Celsius, yet life exists, not because of sunlight, but because of chemistry. Giant tube worms, blind crabs, strange bacteria, entire ecosystems surviving in complete darkness. Life found another way, perhaps just as it could on distant worlds beyond our solar system. Then, there is the Titanic. For more than a century, it has rested silently on the ocean floor, hidden beneath nearly 4 kilometers of water. If the oceans disappeared, its ghostly remains would finally stand exposed beneath the open sky. But removing the oceans would come at an unimaginable cost. Without them, Earth's climate would collapse. The oceans store enormous amounts of heat. They regulate temperatures around the globe. Without that balance, days would become far hotter, nights far colder. Rainfall would change dramatically. Entire ecosystems would disappear. The blue planet would no longer be blue. It would become a dry world of endless basins, dust, stone, and silence. But perhaps the greatest discovery would not be what we found. It would be what we realized. For thousands of years, humanity dreamed of exploring distant planets, searching for alien landscapes, looking for unknown worlds. Yet one of the greatest mysteries was here all along, hidden beneath Earth's own oceans. Tonight, when you stand beside the sea, remember, you are not looking at empty water. You are looking at the roof of Earth's largest unexplored world. Until next time, keep looking up, because every answer reveals another mystery.